Are you in the market for a new tablet but feeling torn about whether to wait for the iPad mini 7 or snag the iPad mini 6 right now? In today's video, we will delve deep into the key factors you should consider before making your decision. With so many exciting features anticipated in the iPad mini 7 and the solid performance of the iPad mini 6, this discussion is designed to help you make an informed choice that aligns with your needs and preferences. Apple's tablet lineup is impressively diverse, catering to a wide array of users. You have the high-powered iPad Pro, the stylish and versatile iPad Air, and the budget-friendly standard iPad. However, the iPad mini stands out, especially for those who prioritize portability and lightweight design. The current iPad mini 6 has been a favorite among users who appreciate its compact form factor and robust capabilities. The iPad mini 7 was notably absent from Apple's September event, sparking speculation about its potential launch. Some insiders suggest that we could see its release as soon as October. This aligns with Apple's pattern of releasing new products in the fall, making it a reasonable assumption. But of the most exciting rumors is that the iPad mini 7 will come equipped with a completely new processor. Rather than a simple incremental upgrade, sources suggest a leap from the A15 chip found in the iPhone 13 to either the A17 Pro or even the A18 Bionic chip. While the iPad mini 6 is still a solid choice, it has been on the market since 2021, and with the impending release of the mini 7, the pricing landscape may shift. If so, you might want to consider waiting for the iPad mini 7. Rumors indicate that it may feature significant improvements in camera technology. While details are still under wraps, any enhancements in camera capabilities are always a welcome upgrade, especially in today's content-driven world. If you need a tablet right away, it offers strong performance, a high-quality display, and an overall positive user experience. According to leaks, the iPad mini 7 isn't expected to undergo a significant design overhaul. If you're hoping for a major visual upgrade or a completely new look, you may find the new model to be less exciting than anticipated. While we discussed the potential for affordability with the iPad mini 7, it's essential to remember that Apple is not typically known for budget-friendly pricing. There's no guarantee that the mini 7 will be priced the same as the mini 6. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on Apple products and other tech news. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.